with the important keyword connect. In my opinion, the Chamber of Commerce should connect with the business community, listen to the challenges on the island, and then on the other hand, connecting with the government and addressing the business challenges that the business community has. So yeah, that's basically how I started with the plan, and then throughout the whole year we created several surveys for the business community. We had peer interviews with the business community. We organized a bunch of events. The Chamber of Commerce has in total 25 workshops and one big annual business seminar. Um, we had, on the other hand, regular meetings with the government. So every 6 weeks, we always sit with the Minister of Economy. Every month, we sit with Minister President Evelien Cruz. Last year, we sat with all the unions to listen as well to their challenges, and we created, that's how we call it, the Big Four. So the Chamber of Commerce, the ATIA, the KUA, the four of us, we came together because we saw a lot of the same kind of key topics and issues that the other stakeholders had as well. So we teamed up with them, and then together with them collectively we went to the government and we sat, for example, with the Minister of Labor to address the labor shortage, the big problem that we had last year and still have at the moment.